Hello everyone, quick tutorial here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add transitions in a Canva presentation. Alright, as you can see here, we are on Canva. So basically what you're going to want to do is to open up your presentation. Now once you have your presentation ready, if you can see these numbers right here, the number of slides, just go ahead and hover your mouse in between those. Alright, and you will be able to see these options right here, which is an add page and to add transition. Alright, just go ahead and click on this one right here, the icon that says transition. Click on it and the transitions section will pop up. As you can see here, there are a lot of options right here. One is dissolve, slide, a circle, swipe, and once you hover your mouse on it, it will show you what it'll do exactly. Alright, for example here, the line wipe, match and move, flow, stack, and chop. All right, I like chop. Just go ahead and click on chop, for example, and you can also set the duration right here. And as you can see here, by default it is set to 0.5 seconds. So go ahead and use it. Use the slider right here. All right, and you can also set the direction of the chop. By default it is set to right. If you wanted to chop from left, just go ahead and select this one right here. All right, and you can also set the starting position right here. And you can also apply it between all pages, all right, if you want to. If you want to change it one by one, just go ahead and close this one as it is done already. Close it. All right, as you can see here, it is now added. Just go ahead and hover your mouse again into the center of the slide and add a transition, stack, duration is 1, close, another one, add transition, flow, close this one. All right, now for example here, I'm going to show you present, and we'll start the presentation. Present. When we click on next, as you can see here, our transition is already added and it is not random. All right, as you can see here, chop. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.